Yes, it is question. So here the annual salary of a person consists of two parts, basic salary and allowances. The allowances is always calculated as a fraction of the basic salary. That's fine. Every year this his basic salary increased by 5,000 and his allowances as a percentage of his basic salary increased by 5 percentage points. I think this question is discussed, it seems. The present basic salary of the person is 30,000 and his present allowances is 20% of his present basic salary. After how many months from now will the annual salary become 60,720? Annual salary is basic salary plus allowances. Right. So every year salary increases by 5,000. Now after how many months from now, okay, the salary will become 60,750 is the question. Now for first 1 year, means for first 12 months. Okay, after 12 months means fine. Okay, but for first 12 months, the salary will be like 30,000, 30,000 plus 20% of the basic salary means 6,000. 36,000 is what? For first year. In second year, this is for first year. I'm claiming like this is for first year. First year entire. Second year, okay, they said your salary increased by 5,000. Basic salary is 35,000 and 5 percentage points means this allowances is 25% of this. 25% means 1 by 4th. Okay, so 1 by 4th of 35,000. Right, so 35 into 25. Right, so 350, no? So 1% is 350. You can go with 8,750 extra. Right, it's still 43,000 something. We not reached 60,000. This is second year after, means 24 months completed. Now third year, okay, after how many months? After 3 years. This is third year means up to year 36 months. 36 months will be completed. Here 12 months are completed. Here 24 months are completed. Now third year, your basic salary is 40,000 plus increment is 30% of this, which is 12,000. First year after, your salary is this. Second year after, the salary is this. Yeah, fine. This is okay. Okay, this is after first year. This is after second year. Fine. This will be 52,000 now, but fine. Next year, this is initial year. This is after first year. We have to claim this first year completed. After first year, this is the salary. After second year, this is the salary. Initially, this is what after first year. This is after second year. This is now we'll see after third year what will might be 45,000 plus 35% of this. Okay, 35% means 35 into 450, 3 into 515, 15750. Yeah, which is 60,750. After third year, we are going to get means after 36 months, dear. Answer is option C. After 36 months, you are going to get. So initially, your salary is 36,000. Now, first year completed. After first year, your salary is 43,750. Means after 12 months completed, after that the salary is this. Okay, 13th month onwards. This is okay, 24th month onwards, means 25th onwards, 25th month. Right, so next, this salary you are getting 52,000 is 25th onwards. Okay, 25th month, second year after, in fact, right? So next is 36 months, not 24, right? Initially, this is 0 to 12. This is 12 to 24. I hope now it may give clarity. From 13th month, in fact, okay, let it be not 12, 13 to 24. 13th month to 24th month, This is your salary. Next, this is 25 to 36th month. Your salary is 52,000. This is salary 37th month to 48th month. Means after 36 months, 36 up to 36 months, your salary is 52,000 only. So after 36 months, after how many months? After 36 months, your salary will be 60,750. Percentages linked one. I believe this question long back discussed. Now here, 5 people PQRST is there. Okay, art, commerce, and science there belongs to. Fine. Now question is, what is the total number of science students PQ and R together? In PQR, science candidates we want. Science is 3 out of 6 into 240, which is 120. Here 2 out of 9, 1 out of 9 among 450, which is 50 is science. Whereas here this is 3 out of 12, 1/4 part, 90. 140 and 120, 260. So total number of people who is science in P, in Q, and from R. Science from PQR, all three together, we got 260. Option C is correct. Now series, production by a company XYZ in the year 1997 was double than that in the 1995. So we try to discuss different set of questions, maximum without any repeating, any repetition. 1995 is 30,000. 1997 60,000. 6 is 46,000. 1998 is 70,000. 1999 50,000. 2000 is 80,000. What is average? Average is sum of divided by number of, right? So divided by 6. Okay. First calculate average. So thousands, fine. 30 plus 46, 76, 146, 206, 206 and 130, 336 divided by 6, which is 56. So more than average. This is 56,000 is average actually. How many years more than the average production is happened? More than 56,000 happened in 1998, 1997, 1999. 3 years. In 3 years, more than 56,000 happened. Right? So how many years is more than the average? This question actually they can give a table in data interpretation also. Next one. Here is carpenter takes an order to make some chairs in 3 days. He made in the following manner. Day 1 he made 1/3 of the total plus 4 chairs. Day 2 he made 1/4 of the remaining chairs plus 4 chairs. Day 3 he made half of the remaining chairs plus 4 chairs. How much, what part of the order he made on day 2? See, total should be divided by 3, divided by 4, divided by 2. So 3, 4, 2 plus something also, subtraction also required, right? Fine, okay. Let it be x is a something called total. In first day, 1/3 is done, means spending is 2/3. Plus 4 chairs also they completed, means minus 4 here. Take this as y, don't make it complicated, take that as y. This is remaining is y. Next day 2, 1/4 of the remaining means y by 4. Pending will be 3y by 4. Here plus 4 made means here minus 4 is what? Consider this is equal to z. Consider that is equal to z. Okay. Next day. Okay, next day 3. half of the remaining means z by 2. Here z by 2 will be there. Here plus 4 means this should be minus 4. And leftover work should be 0. This should be 0. So why 0? Work should be completed. No, this must be equal to 0. So I can understand z equal to 8. When I know z equal to 8, go for the expression 3y by 4 minus 4 equal to z. 4 plus 8, 12. Okay, 12 divided by 3, 4, 4. Okay, 16. Y equal to 16. Once I got y equal to 16, go to the expression 2x by 3 minus 4 equal to y, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. So x will be equal to 30. Guys, total change you need to do is 30. How much is done in day 2? Day 2 is 16 by 4, 4. 4 plus 4. Okay, this is 16. Y value 16. No, 4 plus 4, 8. So day 2, the task done is 8 out of total 30, with 30 is total, which is claimed as 4 out of 15. How much part you done in day 2 is 4 out of 15th part. Total part is 30, you did 8, so we can say 4 out of 15. That's serious. Right. Advanced question. And this one, they want a plus b plus c whole square divided by a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Pretty much similar to this question, or same question is discussed, it seems. So how can we handle this? A plus b plus c whole square is simple. Okay, 138 a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab bc. Numerator is easily completed. A plus b plus c whole square is nothing but 138 plus 2 into 131, which is 262, together 400. A plus b plus c is nothing but equal to 20. Now question, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c whole cube. Sorry, a cube plus b cube plus c cube denominator required. You know a plus b plus c, you know, yes, okay, a, b, c, how to handle this a cube plus b cube plus c cube formula in terms of a, b, c. Numerator is, okay, 400. Sir, I'll go with the option 20, sir. Yeah, it's definitely, okay, the numerator should be 20 divisible. 400 cannot be divided by 17. 400 cannot be divided by 18. 400 cannot be divided by 15. Definitely, answer should be 20 and 49. This is 980. That's also fine. We got the clarity because 400 is 20 into 20. This should be 980. Then only, okay, things will get cancelled. Common terms will get cancelled. We'll claim it like 20 upon 49. But how can you claim a cube plus b cube plus c cube value with the given things here? A plus b plus c, you know, a, b, c, you know. Okay, now you need to calculate a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Sir, we got the answer, then why worry, sir? Fine, but let's try to learn, right? How we got this? If a plus b plus c is 0 means, then fine, that's a different part. Okay, so the other expression a cube plus b cube plus c cube, abc is given only for creating certain confusion actually. Right, so you can claim directly a cube plus b cube plus c cube can be written as A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square, A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA entire plus 3ABC. Without this also we are done with the expression already. A plus B plus C is already 20. A square plus B square plus C square value is 138 minus AB BC CA is, so this is 138, that is 131 plus 3 times of ABC. We know ABC is given as 280. So here 840 we got, here 140, 840, 140, which is nothing but 980. This is 20 into 7, 140, here 840, 980 is the expression. See that. We got it without solving any of this inputs, but still see, this is what the question 20 multiple is required in numerator. Right. Okay, let's see about the next question. See the sixth one. Sixth question, a plane is cutting a cone parallel to the base in such a way that the radius of the new cone is half of the radius of the original cone. Find the ratio of the volume of the original cone to the top volume of the portion of the cone left after being cut by the plane. See this? See, we have a cone, right? Okay. You cut it in such a way that, okay, the new cone which is formed, the radius is half of this. Previously radius is r. Now the radius is r by 2. Obviously height also will be decreased. Half of the, now the ratio of the volume of the original cone to that of the volume of the portion of the cone left after being cut by the plane. But what about height? A plane is cutting a cone parallel to the base in such a way that the radius of a new cone is half of the radius of the original cone. Agreed. But what about height? Height also divided by 2 you are climbing. Now ratio of the volume of the original cone to that of the volume of the cone left after being cut by the plane. So might be we can take parallelly, okay, height also it will be half when this radius is half. We consider in that way, applying that parallel thing, then 1 by 8 will be left over. Okay, cube, no, so I think it's 8 is to 7 it seems. See, volume of original one, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of the cutting portion, cut, what you cut is radius reduced by t. Height also obviously it will be reduced by 2. When you cut in that way, it will be like you can observe that, okay, it will be r by 2 whole square h by 2. We'll get 1 by 8 extra compared to original one. So from the entire part, 1 by 8 part are removed. So volume left over is 7 by 8 of original one. So they're asking original one with respect to volume left over. This is nothing but 8 by 7. Original one is V, left over is this. You can just consider it's 8 is to 7. When radius is half, obviously when you cut, okay, height also will be decreased. You can see height also should be reduced when you cut parallelly. Areas and volumes. And this question, you observe Rahul and Sachin can complete the work in 60 days and 45 days. Okay. But Rahul is working 120% of his capacity. Means your efficiency is more, time taken will be less. So with normal efficiency 60 days, 120% means he should take less time. 60 divided by 120% means 1.2, which is nothing but 50 days. Now Rahul can complete the work in 50 days. Sachin Previously 45 days, now we capacity 80%, so more time taken. Divide by zero point 0.8 means 8 by 10 or 4 by 5, so it will be 45 divided by 0 0.8. 56.25. It will take more time now. Now together they have to complete the work, but that too 75% of the work, not full work also. So we know together is product divided by summation. Product 50 into 56.25 divided by summation 106.25. But they have to do only 75% of the work. Here question is only you have to complete 75% of the work. So into 75%, 3 by 4. So first of all, 50 into 56.25 divided by 106.25. Okay, 26 point something, but answer is not that. 75% into 0.75 directly. 19.85 should be my answer. Approximately 19.85. Option B. Typical question actually this is. Many people not aware of. Yeah, originally 60 days, but now Rahul working with 120% of his capacity. Sachin working with 80% of his capacity. Right? Things are changed. Things are changed. Now, permutations and combinations important for cognizant, important for permutation combination, probability. They're asking generally in advanced section. How many positive integers less than 4300 is available? Positive integers less than 4300. Positive integers means we cannot go with 0. 0 not allowed. So it can be single digit. Many people not aware of that. It can be 2 digit. It can be 3 digit. It can be 4 digit number. Many positive digits don't think they did not ask 4 digit number, right? It can be 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. If they not mention means default repetition allowed. Yeah, we know 220 is a 2 digit, 3 digit number, 220. 2 is repeated. 200 is a 3 digit number. Fine, it can be created 210, 220, 333. Yes, repetition generally allowed if not given. So here 4 ways because 0 is not positive integer. So 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, which is 4 ways. Plus, first thing cannot be filled with 0. Okay, 4 into 4, 16 ways. 4 into 5, sorry. 5. 0 allowed here. Repetition allowed. Why here 4? 0 not allowed. This is 4 into 5 into 5. 100. Here also 0 not allowed. Next one. Okay, I want less than 4300. I want less than 4300. Okay, here typically we need to do a lot of things. The first thing I'll do, this should be split into two cases. One is less than 4000. Okay, and from 4000 to 4300. See, from 1000 to 4000, how many available? Then greater than 4000 and less than 4300. We'll check. Means up to 4299. 4300 is not allowed. So up to 4299 we'll try. So first this is split into two cases, 1 and 2, case 1 and case 2. First case, you are allowed only, okay, 1, 2, 3 in this place. 3999 up to that. Here you allowed only 1, 2, 3. Means 3 ways. And here there is no problem. You fill with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, no issues here. 125 into 3, 375. So 375. Next, this place is freezed with 4. Now 4 digit number where this place is fixed with 4. Only one way. Only one way here it is fixed with 4. Now this should be, okay, less than 3. It should be allowed. Here I have to go with Here I have to go. This is only one way. Here I can go. This is already clearly mentioned 4000 to 4299 only using 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So this place is fine. There is no issues with this place. One way. We have to start with 4. And here I allowed only 0, 1, 2, 3 ways. 0 or 1 or 2, 3 ways. Here it is 5 ways. Here it is 5 ways. No problem. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 25 into 3, 75. So 375 and 75, 450, 550, 570, 574 is the answer. Total 574. Excellent question this is. Many people will ignore this 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Positive digits means it can be a 1-digit, it can be 2-digit, it can be 3-digit as well. Less than 4300. That also split it 1000 to 3000, 999, then 4000 to 4299. Easy. Attacking directly will give wrong answers. Now see this next question. Raj travels a part of journey by taxi paying 15 per kilometer and rest by train by paying 21 per kilometer. If he travels 450 kilometers and paid 8130 rupees, the distance traveled by Raj, right? So you can do mixtures and allegations also. One way is that 8130 divided by, okay, 18.1 by 6, like that we'll get. Okay, we can do mixtures and allegations. That's one thought process. Or okay, it's simple. 450 kilometers split into two. First one x kilometers. Okay, train. Train you take it as x kilometers. Train. Taxi you are going 450 minus x kilometers. And charges for train is nothing but 21 per kilometer. For taxi 15 per kilometer. Total 21 per kilometer x kilometers, 15 per kilometer 450 minus x kilometers. The total amount paid is 8130. Now we can find x value here. 21 minus 15, 6x. 15 into 450, here 8130. 6750 here. So the difference 250 and then 1000, 1250 and then 130, 1380. So x will be equal to 230. X is regarding train. I wantedly taken x for train only. They're asking train, that's why I taken train, second one given, but taken as the first, taxi as second one. 230 kilometers he traveled in train, the remaining 220 kilometers he traveled in taxi. Right. Yeah. Now see this. If Tarun buys only pens costing rupees 13 each, or only pencils, he is left with rupees 2 in each case. Which of the following cannot be the available? Right. So see, 13, it should be divided by 13 and 5. Remainder should be 2. So my answer should be divisible by 13 and 5 and remainder 2. 13 and 5 means 65 multiple plus 2. Remove 2 from this. Remove 2 from options. If it is divided by 65, okay, then it's 455 divided by 65. I think it will give 7. It's correct only, no problem. 1040 also divide by, because 13 8 times, no, it's divided by 65, it seems. Fine, that's also okay. 780 also okay. I think the one which is troubling is 575. 575 divided by 65. This is the problem. This cannot be. They're saying cannot be the amount. Cannot be. Trouble is this. Remaining all are divided by 65. Divide by 65 will give 7. Divide by 65 will give 6. 13, no? 12 times. Here divide by 65. We'll get 16 times. But this is not divisible by 65. Right. I think advanced reasoning people are a bit comfortable. I think this non-way, okay, this eligibility criteria, selection, right. Whereas this syllogism question, no part is jug, all parts are tubs. Okay, so all this, I think above one, that these are related, I think you can see those. Later, okay, material will be shared, later you can go ahead with it. Now see this one. Here if you observe this question, no part is jug. All parts are tubs. It can go like this. Are all parts are tubs. No part is jug. Or no part is jug. All parts are tubs. This different things possibility is there. Now here some tubs are jugs. It's failed in this first conclusion, failed here. Second conclusion, failed here. No jug is tub. Third one true here. Third one true here. Right. So, and first one true here. Second one true here. It's like either or. You can see, okay, which is always true? No. First one is not true always. Second one is not true always. Third one failed here. Another one this, okay, when all some tubs are jugs. When all jugs are tubs also, we can take first one, second one true, but third one failed. So it's either 2 or 3 or either 1 or 3 also correct. Among 2 and 3, one is true, other one false. When 2 is true, third one false. When third one true, second one false. We can go with either or. 1 is not true in all cases, 3 is not true in all cases, 2 is not true in all cases. It's either or question. And this one, we have 8 people. They need to sit in around a square table. Okay, and 4 on the corners, 4 on the sides. That's first paragraph. Don't worry. I think this question completed earlier. It seems like I discussed it earlier. When I observe, you have 8 people, they want to just say 4 corners and 4 are at the sides. Okay, it's all are facing towards center by default if not mentioned anything in the question. C is start to the left of B. Give some B someplace. So C is start to the left of B. First left, second left, third left. C is here. And H, because of the word who, this is related to H. H is start to the right of B. H will be here. Next, related to the CHB, is there any other statements? B is sitting on the side, not at the corner. That's why this is who related to B. B is at the side. This is corner, this is side. Now anything related to this here, this is D is opposite to H. H is here, D is here. Next one, G is not either opposite to E or F. Okay, so he not to be opposite to anybody. So this is opposite slot allowed, right? So E and F may occupy here or here likewise. So here or here I need to arrange F. G should be here or here. F is not neighbor of H. Okay, F is not neighbor of H. F cannot come here or here. And G is not neighbor of either E or F. G cannot be for either E or F. Fine. So, and there is one more thing. A is second to the right of G. If I place G here, second right, not possible. If I place G here, okay, A is second right, not possible. G only here, A should be here. This is the only place. Okay, G, A is second to the right of G. G place here, first right, second right. This is the only place available. Fine. So now finally G is not neighbor of either E or F. F is not neighbor of H. Okay. No other slot. No, I think you can place here also. Problem here, E or F will occupy. And there is one more choice. G here, A here, first right, second right, G here. Now G is comfortable, not neighbor of either E or F. F is not neighbor of H. F will be here, E will be here. Fine. So G is not opposite to either E or F. A is second to the right of G. A is second to the right of G. G first right, second right. A is second to the right of G. G is not neighbor of, not opposite to E or F. F is not neighbor of H. So this is the entire arrangement. Sorry. Okay. A opposite is nothing but E. Q is opposite to E. A is nothing but E. Step by step, if you do the process, checking trial and error. Can we fit here or not? Can we fit here or not? If you apply that, okay, finally this is the place where G and A will occupy, and this is what the situation. And this question, this model, my dear friends, keep in mind, long back this type of question they are giving in Infosys as well. Infosys also asking this type of things where here what is this things? First two things, third one should be conclusion. Let us say BEF, taking BEF, the result should be F. B and E, taking F should be result. Some seasons all, no, we don't get that. Next CEB, taking C and E, B should come. C and E, some, no, I cannot conclude that also. DEB, no and some, no, that also doubt. I have a doubt whether I can. Yeah, DFA is conformly will get. DFA is a sure game because see D, no seasons are at once. F is all springs are at once. So definitely spring and season not connected. A will be obtained. No spring is season. So doing D and F, A will be obtained. First two working, third one should be obtained. That's perfectly suitable for D. Rest all doubts are there, but definitely working is here. Here we given all those theory things. Okay, we have to work on the first two. Third one should be the logical conclusion for first two. Right. So statements and actions. Okay, which is you try to minimize the issues that can be done. This is we can create a table and we can arrange this. That's fine. And this one, number of coins. This is equation related. You can do it. They give an equation related stuff. So I'm focusing more on quant as people are feeling that as a difficult task. Alright, this is equation. We can go. Okay, blood relation, fine. Yeah, this question also I think long back we discussed. We can create a table related to this, but this we discussed this already in previous class. This is regarding eligibility. We can decide that. That's not a big deal. Yeah. Fine. Let's see about that quant. My worry is more on quant. Reasoning data sufficiency. This is reasoning data sufficiency. You can practice. I'll share these questions for you people. You can practice later. Yeah. But this question, why I'm worrying is they use the word possibility. When there is possibility, I should go ahead with that. Possibility means satisfying one diagram also okay. When there is possibility satisfying one diagram also okay. First one, all dogs are lion. No lion is a tiger. All dogs are lion. No lion is a tiger. No dog is tiger. Second conclusion, damn sure correct. Damn sure second one is correct. But third, first conclusion, second one must be required. Neither nor no, it should be okay. Either or no, second one guarantee there. It should be A or D. Is it second one or both? First one is what some tigers are cat. Some tigers are cat. So some part of tigers are cat. So all dogs being cat is a possibility. Yeah, I can draw like this. See, some tigers are cat. I can draw like this. This is for cat. This is for cat. Now, all dogs being cat is a possibility. Possibility. One diagram satisfied also. Okay, answer is both. Sir, I draw like this. First one wrong, second one, first one wrong, sir. Okay, I'm not saying no. Possibility means satisfying one diagram also. Okay. Satisfying one diagram also, possibility, one diagram also. Okay. This diagram is satisfying my task. All dogs being cats is a possibility. See, that's why I'm discussing that. Okay, this arrangement round table. Okay, we'll discuss. This is again related to data sufficiency. Fine. Syllogisms again, possibility came to picture. Check this once. Possibility means satisfying one diagram also. Okay. Some engineers are players. Some players are scientists. No scientist is technician. Some engineers are players. Some players are scientists. No scientist is technician. Some engineers are players. Some players are scientists. No scientist is technician. Some engineers are players. Some players are scientists. No scientist is a technician. There are different things. Now, yes, some scientists or engineer is a possibility. Yes, here it is true. Some technicians are not players. Yeah, this is technician area, not there in players. Is possibility? Yes, true. Both. When it is possibility, satisfying one diagram, also take that. This is technician area, not involved in players. So, satisfying one diagram also, you can go ahead. Right. So, see the next one. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Eligibility criteria, decision making, and yeah, probability. In advanced section, chances for probability is high. So, say this. A word consists of 9 letters, 5 consonants, and 4 vowels. 3 letters are chosen at random. What is the probability that more than one vowel will be selected? 1 minus probability of no vowel, right? So 3 should be selected. Out of 9 letters, 3 should be selected. Without vowel means all 3 should be from consonant. 5C3 is 10. 9C3 is 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 6. 12 into 7, 84. Okay, which is 5 by 42. more than one vowel. Okay, fine. So listen. One more thing should be not no vowel. One vowel also there. So more than greater than one vowel means the other thing is if you want to go for no, one vowel or zero vowels. That's best. One vowel or no vowel. So I should subtract one more term minus probability only one vowel involved. Minus probability only one vowel involved also to be considered. One vowel or no vowel. So one vowel required means 5C3 divided by 9C3 minus one vowel. So two from consonant, one from vowel we have to take. Two from consonant, 5C2, one from vowel. So now 5C3 10, 5C2 also 10, 10 into 4 40 divided by 9C3 which is 84. So 50, 34 divided by 84 which is 17 divided by 42. Probability of success is 1 minus probability of failure, but these two things should be removed. No vowel and one vowel. Or you calculate two vowels and three vowels. You want more than one vowel means two vowels and three vowels. All three are vowels are taking two as vowels. That's also fine, sir. This is time taken, sir. Okay, you can go with the other thing where you can mention why 1 minus failure. You can go with probability of two vowels plus probability of three vowels. Two vowels means one from consonant. Okay, two from vowels or all three are vowels required. Divide by 9C3. 5C1 is 5. 5 into 6, 30. 4C3 is nothing but 4. 34 divided by 84, which is nothing but 17 divided by 42. Same answer. Three vowels, two vowels. Right. Next, that's regarding probability. Now, this is permutations. How many arrangements letters of the word Bengali can be made if the vowels are need to be occupy only odd places. Odd places means this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have four odd places. Odd places are four. How many vowels are available? Vowels available are three only. Now, okay, 1, this is 3, this is 5, this is 7. Now, okay, they have first vowel is having four chances. It's called 4p3 actually. We call it simply like 4p3. 4p3 means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 into 3 into 2 simple. See, first one is having four chances. First vowel is having four chances. It can occupy 1, 3, 5, 7. It takes some slot. Let's say this slot is booked. Then three slots are available for next one. Let's say this slot is booked. Then two slots are available for next one. This slot is booked. Next, remaining five slots, five letters, 5 factorial. So it's 24 into anything repeated. 7 letters. No, okay. Vowels are to occupy only odd places. That's what, okay, fine. 4p3. Okay, this 3, 5, 7 only they occupied, let us say. And still you have 4 places, sorry, 4 factorial. So 24 into 24 will get 576. 24 into 24 which is 576. 4p3 into 4 factorial. 4p3 because 4 places, 3 things should be fit in that 4p3. Next one, areas and volumes. A park is square in shape with its perimeter 4 times the perimeter of rectangle. This is how they link one with other. Okay, perimeter of this is 4a is 4 times the perimeter of rectangle with length and breadth. So A will be equal to 50. Square side is equal to 50. There is a semicircle and inside the park that was a diameter equal to the side of the square. So park, okay, where you have each side 50 and you have a semicircular one where the diameter is equal to side of that. Okay, this is a LAN, right? So for this, what is the area of the perimeter of this LAN? Okay, what is that side? This is 50. This is what we require, right? So pi r plus 2r, because entire this is 2 pi r. Half of that means pi r plus this one is 2r. So perimeter of this LAN means semicircular perimeter. R is equal to 25 here. Pi into 25 plus 50. 2 in 50 plus 25 into 3. We got 75. 125 plus extra 0.145. 0.14 into 25 means it is 3 extra. So 128 will get 128.5 here. Pi should be taken as 3.14. Okay, so you take, then you will get it like 128 point. Next one, pipes and cisterns related. 40 and 50 both are filling in 40 and 50 minutes. Both pipes are open at 5 a.m. At what time A should be closed so that total time taken is 36 minutes. See, A can fill the tank in 40, B can fill the tank in 60. It's almost like A can complete the work in 40 days, B can complete the work in 60 days. Both are started at 5 a.m. Okay, after some time A left the job. Okay, but the total time taken is 36 days, like that the question is. So we can take 120 liters is tank capacity. This is filling 3 liter per minute. And this is filling 2 liter per minute. Both are opened at 5 a.m. Okay, see, it's very simple. B is available for total 36 minutes, no? A and B fine. Initially A and B is there, later B is there, but we can consider B is there for entire 36 minutes. So to complete the work, 120 liters should be filled. B completed certain part, A completed remaining part. So what's done by B for this 120 liters? B available for the entire, okay, 36 minutes. It can fill 2 liter per minute. 72 liters are filled by B. Rest of the thing is filled by A. A filled 48 liters. Right. So A can do 3 liter per minute. 48 liters means 16 minutes is required. So A available only for 16 minutes. Means at 5:16 a.m. A left the job. And total work is completed by 5:36 a.m. Exactly at 5:16 A left the job. A pipe is closed. 72 liters is filled by B. It's available for the entire 36 minutes, but A not available for entire. After certain time, A left it. Now, series 13th question regarding data interpretation. In how many years P income is more than the average of P and Q? Okay, it's actually simple. How many years P is greater than Q? P is greater than average. See, P greater than average. Right, so it's simple. P by 2 greater than Q by 2 means P greater than Q. This is what the meaning. So in how many years P is greater than Q? P is this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 years. That's it. No need to calculate average and checking. It's actually, this is what? This is average. Now again, data interpretation. Total number of players is 450. This is in terms of degrees, 360 degrees related to 450. Okay. Now question is regarding tennis, hockey, football. The number of persons playing cricket exceeds. So cricket is how much more than average of tennis, hockey and football. Cricket is how much more than average of tennis, hockey and football. Cricket is 108 degrees. Tennis, hockey and football. Tennis is 68, hockey 80, football 56. Average means divided by 3. 136 and 60, 196 and 8, 204 divided by 3 will be equal to 204 divided by 3 will be equal to 68 degrees. So 108 degrees more than 68 degrees is 40. Cricket is how much more than the average? Is nothing but 40 degrees. See, 360 degrees is 450. I want 40 degrees means divide by 9. Divide by 9. So 450 divided by 9, answer is 50. Answer is 50. Data interpretation, 50 should be your answer. Right? Now, series question, 15th one. Series 15th question, 30 pockets of sugar of the same weight are kept in a storeroom. If 6 more packets are kept, the average increase by 2.5. Find the arithmetic mean of initial total weight of sugar and final total weight of sugar in the storeroom. So average initially something is there. Initially 30 packets. Okay, now 6 more packets of 35 kg is kept. Okay, now the average increase by 2.5. Fine, see initially, okay, 30 into average is A, that's the total. Total I means initially total is 30 into A. Now, for the 30 into A, 6 more packets of 35 kgs is added. Now, what is the new total is 36 into average plus 2.5. Previous average is A. All are same weight means average is same. All our weight is A, average will be A. Now it's increased by 2.5. This is initial total. Initial total, this is total, final total. Now here 36 here, 30, I think we can divide with 6. 6 1 times, 6 5 times, this is 6 6 times, easy. So A, 6A and 5A, A, 35 minus 15, 20. A is equal to 20. Okay, A 20 finds, then what is the initial is 30 into 2600 is the total initially. Now here 36 into 22.5, which is 18 into 45, which is 810. Right, so average of these two, 600 and 810. See, this is 600 and 810, okay. But average of these two, 705. Arithmetic mean or average of these two values, okay, 600 and 810 divided by 2, 705. Right.